Oh, yeah? Where is Tex? Oh, he's gone. Come on. He will be back soon. Come here. Come. Come here. Yeah, Tex is gonna be back soon. Yeah. Good girl. Come here. Come here. Come. Yeah, good girl. Wow. Yeah, baby. Yeah. Don't cry. Don't cry. Oh, baby, don't cry. Tex is gonna be back soon. Yeah, we're gonna go later together to the doctor. Okay? All right. You better now? No. Why? What's wrong with you? What is wrong with you? Where do you wanna go?